What year is this?
68.
1968. Pontiac. Pontiac LeMans. How many years has this been sitting?
About 20.
About 20 years sitting.
Look at it too.
Rusting and neglecting. Oh, nice too. It's getting moldy. Door panels. Oh man. Is that the original mold?
Original mold.
Original mold.
Will that come off?
Yeah. Bleach.
Mold. Moldy what? Oh, mold. You mean an old dirty mold that comes out from nature? Yeah. Take it for that.
Need a new package tray. Dash is perfect. Was this a vinyl top?
No. It's just rusted.
It's just rusted.
It's got the original engine. It's only got 30-some thousand miles.
Original engine, 30,000 mile car?
You look at the speedometer.
This is...
Something else. Stop it from rushing here. I was here first. Put it in Mike's garage.
Yeah, the mice would love this. 400 or 350?
350.
350.
Hey, here's a nice car.
It looks like something's already been squirreling around on this wheel well over here. You got foot tracks. A little bit of rust.
What wood?
No power brakes. No, look at the footprints.
Oh yeah, probably cat.
Damn cats. All there. Last time it was serviced, yeah, whatever. It was serviced at Walt Acres, Hanover, Maryland. A little bit of work. Original hubcaps, bias ply tires. You're missing a mirror over here. That's not going to pass inspection. I know you don't have to get them inspected.
I gotta get this thing.
Need some inner fender wells. That one's a little rotted out. Sure you got them.
Patch panels go on there and you got it made.
Patch panels. You got the rocker panel moldings? Did you take them off in the trunk?
The car.
Huh?
In the car! What are you, bluffing?
In the car, in the trunk, I said.
Yeah, they're in the
I didn't see them. Somebody stole them.
back. Mike, this is what I'm talking about, the frame. Sit.
Got a little rust inside. I need a little work. $43,000 miles.
Look at this, man. Look at this, Mike.
Hold on.
Look at that deck lid. Original spare tire. Original holes.
Got some seat belts.
Look at that deck lid, man.
That's amazing.
Yep.
The rest of the car's a rust. And that didn't rust. Normally.
Down already. Alright. Boy, worked hard today.
What's the color? This teal. Teal looking color.
Only worked since July.
Where's the rocker panel molding?
Oh, that's probably the garage.
Ah, now they're in the garage. Okay, see?
Back ones are in the back seat.
Oh yeah, put the floor mats, try to hide the rust. Oh yeah, that's real nice.
Can't get that one. I don't even think I've lived in it.
Original jack.
Spare. Original things, carpet things.
Original rust. Original bumper.
It's all original. 3-speed too. On the column.
Automatic. Oh, 3-speed. 3-speed clutch. 3 on a tree.
Posi rear too.
Positive traction rear.
Yep.
Yep, it's got the tag. Positive traction rear. Single exhaust.
Just needs some TLC. Needs a little TLC.
Need a re-chrome there. And
I'll put the purple in that one.
damn dog.
All originals there. I think it's original wires and all they say.
Spark plug wires.
Yep, when I bought it. Well, it's got 43,000 miles.
Yep, 43.
4-core radiator.
4-core radiator.
Jeff stole the thing.
Is that your car?